Hey, boy, why are you sitting here all alone?
What? A talking bird?
Yes, I can talk, and I can also listen. So, tell me, why do you look so sad?
Everyone in the village has friends. They play together, laugh together. But me? I have no one.
Then maybe today is your lucky day.
Why?
Because from now on, I will be your friend.
Really? You'd be my friend?
Of course! Who else will keep you company under this boring old tree?
Thank you, Chirpy. You don't know how much this means to me.
Oh, I know. I can see your face shining already. So, what do friends do first?
Friends? Play. Want to race me to the river?
Huh, you'll never beat me. Ready, set, go!
Okay, you win. You're too fast.
That's because I have wings. But you have legs. Strong legs. Together, we make a perfect team.
You're right. A perfect team.
Chirpy, look! The sweetest berries grow on that hill. Come, I'll show you.
Careful, Chirpy. You're so small, the wind might blow you away.
Don't worry, I'm tougher than I look.
I've never been this happy. Do you know, Chirpy? Before you came, I thought I'd be lonely forever.
You'll never be lonely again. Not as long as I'm here.
Promise?
Promise.
Chirpy, the sky looks dangerous. Something's wrong.
Oh no! The dam is cracking. If it breaks, the whole village will flood.
What do we do? We can't stop a river.
Maybe we can. If we block the crack with stones and mud, the water won't break through.
But it's raining so hard. It's scary.
Listen, Arif, you're stronger than you think, and I'll be right by your side. Together, remember?
Together. Okay, let's do it. These rocks are heavy, but I won't give up.
I'll help fill the gaps. Don't stop, Arif. We're almost there.
My arms, they hurt.
Look at me, Arif. Don't quit now. The whole village depends on us.
You're right. I can do this.
Yes, it's holding. Just one more rock.
Done. We did it.
Yes, it's holding. We really saved the village.
I told you, you're braver than you believe.
And I couldn't have done it without you. You're not just my friend. You're my family.
And you're mine.
From now on, we face everything together. Storms, fears, loneliness, everything.
Agreed, because friendship is the strongest shield of all.